What's going on, everybody? This is Jacques-Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is the best training for anybody who wants to learn how to sell on Amazon. I mean, they got everything from A to Z that you need to know if you want to be a successful person selling on Amazon. And you can get 40% off the #1 training program for starting an online business. Build your own six-figure online business leveraging the world's largest online mall, which is Amazon. This training is the best of the best. You can go online and do your research and read reviews on why this is the best training for anybody that want to get started with Amazon. All you gotta do is just go here, hit join, and there you go. So, and also can get this 5-step guide for free when you put your name and email address in there, and then you just download the guide. Say free training, and for what you have to pay for to get all the training, it's 40% off. But this is the best of the best training that you can get if you want to sell on Amazon. You got the phone number and all of that, right up here. And it's down at the bottom. So that being said, I'm going to put a link below this video, and I would most definitely check out the Amazon selling machine. Like I say, there's too many testimonials and too many great reviews on this product for it not to be the truth. And I wouldn't promote it if it wasn't the truth anyway. So that being said, y'all click on the link. Make sure y'all like this video, share this video, comment, and subscribe most definitely. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.